Our commercial barrel dough flour mixer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, a total length of 55 inches. A depth of 23.5 inches. And the overall height of 41.5 inches tall. 41.5 inches applies towards the bottom of the base to the top of the barrel. Top door can be removed. Coming to the inside of the barrel will be the gear to churn and mix your product. And included will also be an instruction manual and information about this mixer. Measurements for the barrel will include 32.25 inches in length, 21 inches in depth, 21 inches applied to the highest point of the top of the barrel, and a height of 23.5 inches tall. The cover can be inserted back into the slot, and to the left and right are inserts where bolts or anything else to hold down the mixer while it's tumbling can be used. Coming to the bottom will be the motor along with the wire that's connected to the transformer, along with the wiring that's required to operate this mixer. And to the side of the mixer will be a lever to lock and release whenever the barrel is or not in use. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.